So we're here at the CPHI exhibition, and I'm on the India Pharmacy of the World stand. I've been joined by...
I'm S.R. Rao, the Commerce Secretary, Government of India.
Great. Well, firstly, thank you very much for taking the time to join us. The first question that I wanted to ask you was, India Pharmacy of the World is the big message at this week's CPHI. Could you tell us a little bit about what you're looking to achieve at this week's event?
My main mission of being here in Madrid, along with a big delegation of industry and regulatory leaders from India, is to showcase to the entire world the quality and affordability of Indian pharmaceutical products. As we speak, close to 10% of the entire world generic market is supplied by Indian drugs. And it's a matter of a great deal of pride, and also it gives us immense satisfaction that we save a large number of lives across the globe. Our medicines are accessed by over 200 countries worldwide. We are the best and most affordable. And when you talk of antiretroviral drugs, anti-TB drugs, or anti-malarial drugs, and we supply close to 70% of the world's vaccines. The business in which we are is about saving lives, and saving the lives of poor and needy who are worst affected when public health problems, epidemics break out.
Okay, great. Could you tell us a little bit about how you see, or what you see are the key opportunities and challenges for the Indian pharmaceutical industry in the current global marketplace?
We are now at the cusp of big blockbuster patents coming off the patent registration by 2013. It's going to be a huge opportunity for our Indian pharmaceutical industry. But then that's just the beginning, because after 2013, when we get off the cliff, it's going to be a long haul in terms of how best we can position our industry, the pharmaceutical industry, because competition is increasing, margins are getting compressed, and there are also being questions of barriers to the trade, technical barriers to the trade, which are being raised by various countries and by various stakeholders. These are concerns which we need to clearly understand and take it forward to the next level of growth. We see immense opportunity that is arising, because every challenge, we take it as a great opportunity. And the Indian industry and the government are partnering with each other in discovering the next level of partnership in engaging and taking forward this momentum, what we have built over the past a decade and a half. And this is going to be the most exciting phase of our industry for two reasons. Several countries, as I just said, notwithstanding the fact that majority of our products go into most discerning of the markets, highly regulated markets like United States of America, United Kingdom, Europe. In fact, with Europe, we do about 20% of our entire pharma exports going to European Union, 24% to US, and rest go to Japan and highly regulated markets, including the African continent, Asia, you name it, and we supply to more than 200 countries. This is where I think we need to be more proactive in putting forth two simple facts. The largest number of FDA-approved sites outside America are in one single country called India. So also UK MHRA approved sites, we have plenty of them in India, and TGA approved,
yeah.
MCC approved. So it only shows that close to world's 50% of third-party inspections on quality take place in India, which means India has already become the global pharmacy, because majority of the production is taking place within the country. Now the challenges is the non-tariff barriers or the non-trade barriers which are being raised by various countries, because we have on one side the large multinationals with deep pockets who have the patented drugs. On the other paradigm of development is India's quality products, which are equally efficacious, which are biosimilar, and which can save lives, and which can afford an alternate paradigm in treating and bringing succor to the needy patients. Even in developed nations, with compressed global growth rates, now supporting populations which are aging, which are requiring medicines with patented drugs is becoming extremely expensive. On the second side, in developing countries themselves, the national health programs are getting broadened and deepened. So on both sides, both in developed sector, non-developed countries, there's immense demand now which is growing, which requires large amount of generics, which are affordable, which are of quality, getting into saving lives. That's where we would like to position. We would like to dispel certain false notions which are being bandied about regarding Indian products. This is our main mission today here, that we would like to assure that India is a very open, transparent, democratic nation which has a very robust regulatory sector. The government regulates the manufacture, the distribution, the drug discovery, the clinical trials, the entire ecosystem of the pharmaceutical products. We are also signatory to the TRIPS, Trade-Related Intellectual Property Rights, and we are a very good citizen internationally in complying with all international commitments that we have entered into. And the third is the ethical factor, which is extremely important to India, which is, can we just let a poor person die because a poor person can't afford to purchase a life-saving drug? So on one side is a highly quality-conscious patent drug. On the other side is equally quality-conscious generic drug. Both are biosimilar. One is 10x, other is x. And every human life is important to us because we together form the human race. This is the main mission we have here.
Well, thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.
I appreciate it.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. White.